One piece of advice I would give to a fellow student that's in the search for an internship is to look for genuine connections. There's a bunch of firms out there, but look for people that you would genuinely want to go and work with every single day, and people that care about you and your career and where you want to go in life.
I would tell them to go in with a very excited mentality. I have nothing but positive things to say about FURCO. I have learned so much. I've met so many amazing people. Just go in with an excited mindset and be ready to learn.
I would tell someone who's making a choice about which internship to choose an internship where you can see yourself working long term. And Frank Rimerman is definitely that type of place. They've supported people since they've been interns, and now they're successful partners and have supported these people throughout their lives. And it's a great place to be long term.
Just coming at it with an open mind, I think, is the one piece of advice I would give any incoming interns. Being super ready to learn, coming to work every day with a good attitude, ready to collaborate with your peers, ready to learn, like I said, with the associates, and overall just being ready to be part of that team atmosphere. Other students looking for internships, what I would tell them to convince them to come to Frank Rimerman is, I don't think you're gonna find this atmosphere anywhere else. And it's something that I really valued from my last job as well, was just building that culture that it's positive, nobody's competing with you, nobody wants to put you down, everybody wants to help, and you're just willing to answer any questions that your peers may have and help them.
If I were to recommend something to a fellow student looking for an internship, it would be to go somewhere that you're interested in, go get out of your comfort zone, and kind of make sure you're able to get your questions, answered, or you're able to see, both sides, tax and audit. If you're not really sure, make sure you're able to go to a place that, lets you see both and kind of values you as a person as well.